your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome. Today we're installing a wig from Recool Hair. They were kind enough to send over this beautiful BODYWAVE burgundy unit. So before I install the unit, I am going to add some tint spray to the lace. After inspecting the lace, it looked like it was a little bit more on the pale side, and we definitely want that lace to blend into my skin, so I added some of the even warm brown tint spray. And you want to make sure that the tint spray is dry enough so you can blow dry it down, or just be patient and let it dry down some. So then I'm just going to put the unit on my head. I didn't do the adjustable straps or anything in the back. I don't use the combs, but the unit felt really, really good. It felt very big head friendly. I had a lot of space, so I definitely could have made it tighter. So to install the unit, I am going to use my even spray and just kind of spray that around the hairline, and I'm going to push the hair back as well with my hot comb and stuff, just getting it flat and blow dry it down into place. Once I complete that, then I'm going to cut the lace off, and we do have a few pieces there that we're lifting, so I'm going to respray it, and then I'm going to tie it down with my satin wrap cap. And so while the hairline is drying down, I'm going to go in and curl my hair. This curling wand is from Amazon. If they still have it on the site, I will link it below so you guys can check that out. It comes with like 6 different heads, so you can change the size of your wand and the style of your wand. Once I get to the top of my head, I'm going to work on just flattening out those roots a little bit more with my hot comb, and then I'm going to go in and add the curls to the top. And once that's complete, we'll move on to baby hairs. I did feel like I needed a little extra something in the front of my hair, so I did go in and add just a couple of swoops, one on one side and one on the other side. It really helped with making it look really natural. Also, of course, adding a little bit of makeup to the front hairline and to your parting space can really make your hair look real good and natural. And then after that, that was pretty much it with that install. Recool hair. This was really good quality hair. I love the color. The color was transferring a little bit on my fingers there, but the color is beautiful. It is actually like a really pretty color to be wearing this fall. I think it would be really cute also with the side part. I should have did that. I should have did the side part, but I think I'm gonna do a side part and take some pictures. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to see that style with this hair. But great quality. You will definitely see this on my IG a lot because I will be wearing it. Great quality wig, super spacious, you know, very simple install. You don't have to do any bleaching or anything like that. You don't have to pluck it, but you can pluck it. I wore mine without plucking it, so you know, it's just up to you how you choose to wear your hair. But yeah, I really like it. Thanks, Recool, for sending it over today's unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, like I always say, leave them in my comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.